So today I'm just making a really simple candle holder, and I'm starting out with my rose quartz by Eye Candy as well as some small tongue mica powders. And I have a Tea Expert 1-to-1 resin, and I'm just mixing those together at this point.
Well, I may be wrong, but I thought that I tried enough for both of us. And I never thought I'd get to see that blackbird fly. You were busy trying anything that you thought that would cause a fuss. Like painting pictures. Well, I guess that I could sit here talking about all the things lost. Like painting pictures. I'd be happier with you and me just wasting time. Like painting pictures.
I'm going to finish this off with polyurethane because this was just something I kind of just poured it last minute. It's a little tea light holder, and I did the colors of green, so I'm just going to get some mica. Let's go ahead and just start with that and go around the edge. I hope you can see. I'm just going like halfway up. Okay, so that was the mint. And now I'm going to use an alcohol swab to try to create a kind of straight line where the colors change so it doesn't look like a mess. So I'm just going to go around with my alcohol swab and try and get the excess off.
For one last time, let's hold our own and make it right. Let's be clear from the start this time. It's all to please us.
This is polyurethane resin, and it's 1-to-1 ratio by volume or weight. You only mix it for 30 to 45 seconds, 60 seconds max, because it'll start to cure in 2 minutes. Okay, So this should be cured. It's not hot anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and demold it. Just go ahead and put it upside down. Wow, that's pretty cool looking. Okay, get my mold back in shape there. So here is where I put the mica powder, and that's the bottom. I think it looks pretty cool. This will be nice, like in the bathroom. I'll go ahead and put a candle in it so you can see what it looks like, but I think that's pretty cool. I like it. I like all the different colors and how they came out, and it just looks kind of interesting. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.